This is our first hike since coming to Canada. Already so tired, but it's really pretty. They all walk so fucking fast because their legs are so long that I'm just like falling behind. Like the guy who's walking at the front, he doesn't even look like he's walking that fast, but it's just because his strides are that long. I'm fucking so out of breath. Let me show you. Like, why the fuck are they so ahead of me? Hi. We made it to the waterfall. Making pot stickers. Hi friends. So I'm cooking pot stickers right now. Never done that before. Help me. As you can see, I'm still living in Calvin's stores because I tried to find places, but it's so freaking hard, and it always had a place. The landlord was so rude, and now I don't have a place anymore. I feel so awkward walking, knowing that there's people here. It's so hard. Like, I try to walk, but it's just so hard. Like, I feel like I can't be myself when there are people around. Oh shit. I don't think I put enough oil or water. I don't fucking know. Well, they definitely stuck to the bottom of the pot. Fuck me, they look so disgusting. Oh, ew.
They look super nice.
They look bad. Yeah, it's not going too well. This is my first time making
Dumplings?
stickers. Like fried dumplings.
What do they have inside? Pork?
Pork and vegetable.
They look awesome.
Do they? I think it's meant to be like golden, not black.
I'm colorblind.
It's fine.
Whoa, you're so sour. I think you burnt us a little bit.
What, you think? I don't know.
I mean, I'm no expert, so
No.
I couldn't say.
I definitely did. But the other side is like completely white, so. Okay, whatever. That's it.
Then it's done. Just crispy.
Just perfectly crispy. I think Calvin likes it even crispier.
You see, it was all planned.
Exactly. I'll give him like the extra burnt one.
You don't like this crazy.
We are lining up for the Richmond night markets right now. Because today's the last day. It was a fat-ass line all the way around. But it is surprisingly quick. And it is really freaking cold. Let's try the creamy one first. I love lamb skewers. Not enough cumin powder, but I do love a good lamb stew. This is the beef one. I like this texture more. And now we're trying the chicken one. This is the chicken one. Chips on a stick. They call it rotato here. We got mochi French toast ice cream. We got the matcha, the Ovaltine, and the Kaya coconut.
Ovaltine? I mean Ovaltine.
Isn't that what I said? Oh no,
Ovaltine.
I always say Ovaltine.
You see Obama's.
Do you like it? It's okay.
It's alright.
I dropped the ice cream.
My legs, I'm not good.